Lenovo has officially released its Legion Y700 Ultra Control Edition, a gaming tablet boosting top-tier specifications and innovations. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Lenovo Legion Ultra Control Edition starting price at $469. The tablet promises enhanced visual performance, reduced latency, and premium gaming experience. The Lenovo Legion Y700 Ultra Control Edition features a significant improvement in screen technology. Its new display offers 4.1 times smoother performance and a 45% decrease in flash points compared to standard AG screens. It also supports DCI P3 white color and delivers an ultra-high refresh rate of 165 Hz and resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels. The tablet has 8.8 inches screen size, ensuring precise for gamers. The touch resolution is amplified tenfold. Lenovo Legion Y700 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. With powerful octa-core CPU, the tablet is paired with 12 and 16 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB storage while lightning fast performance. It also includes an ultra-wide field of view mode, enhancing immersion in gaming sessions. That's all for now and thanks for watching.